regular Victoria's Secret credit card and you want to get the Mastercard credit card, you're probably going to most likely have to apply for that credit card, the Mastercard credit card. You could call them and ask them if they can actually give you that Mastercard, but a lot of times you're going to have to probably apply for that Mastercard. Now, Victoria's Secrets, I did a video previously about the Victoria's Secret's credit card. Victoria's Secret credit card is a credit card that's on the shopping cart trick, but let me pull that up. A lot of people, they get the credit card through the shopping cart trick. They get that Victoria's Secret credit card, but then they want to try to get that Mastercard. If you guys don't get that Mastercard, you're probably just going to have to just go ahead and apply for it. I'm telling you, it's sad. You probably want to just go ahead and apply for it, but try to see if you can get that regular credit card through the shopping cart trick, or just go ahead and just apply for the Mastercard. Because if you guys are applying for just the regular Victoria's Secret credit card, you guys want to get that hard inquiry, you might as well try to apply for just that Mastercard for Victoria's Secrets. But it's sad, but you're probably gonna have to just suck it up and just apply for that Mastercard. If you guys just really want a Mastercard, try to see, or a Mastercard or Visa, try to see if you can do like the Camping World, because that is another one with the shopping cart trick that you guys can possibly get too. And again, too, I can try to see if I can get that pop up for you. You can go to Rickita.com/shopping cart trick and click right here where it says try now. I can try to see if I can get it to work for you. And if you're able to get the shopping cart trick to work and you want to try other credit cards, go ahead and click right here where it says shopping cart trick guide to try to see if you can get the shopping cart trick to work for you with those other credit cards also, because there's so many credit cards you can do the shopping cart trick with.